Alright guys, right now it's about 8:40 and it gets dark about 8:50, and it's kind of getting dark and we're heading out. We're going to go out to the pond in the field, and there's been a lot of bullfrogs there, and we're going to try to gig some, and let's see what we do. I'll see you when we get there. Alright guys, we're sneaking up on a frog right now in the bank. I'll see if I can try to get him. Okay. Hey, is that you? Yeah. You gotta get closer to him. Alright guys, well, just snuck up on the one that we keep on having come up on the bank. He's a pretty good little sized frog. Got right on top of him. Should have got a little bit closer, but I didn't. So we're going to go to the other pond in the woods, see if there's some in there, and then I'm going to let Colby, he's going to try to get him this time. But I barely missed him, but I won't get him again. But hopefully there's some other frogs at the other pond, so we're going to go try there real quick. I'll see you whenever we get there. Alright guys, we're at the next pond out here in the woods. We just spotted a pretty decent sized frog. Right here, there's two of them on each bank, so we're going to try to let Colby try to get this one out here on the bank. And he's a pretty good one, so maybe we can try to get him. We're going to walk in there. Let's see if we can get him. Alright guys, we're walking in. Turn off that one. Got him, got him. Hold on, you got him? I don't want to lift it up. Here, get down there. I'll hold the light.
I don't want to go down there.
Here. And yeah, you got him. Well, guys, he just got this. Try to go get another one.
I don't.
For real? Well, guys, that's a big one. First one. Alright, guys. Got a really good one. We just got him. Good legs on him. Got a footage on the GoPro. That's real good. But there he is. First one of the night. We're going to go try to see if we can get another one. Yeah.
Look at his nose.
He got one bit fun. I don't know. Alright, guys, it's the next night. It's getting dark, and this is part 2. And we're gonna go back to the ponds and go get some more frogs. Hopefully I don't miss any more, so we'll be getting some more frogs for y'all guys, and I'll see you when it gets dark. Alright, guys, we just pulled up. Here's the pond in the field over here. And this is where there's a decent sized frog. He's the only one we've seen in here so far, but we just accidentally spooked him because we didn't really know where he's at, but he's about to get back on the bank. Maybe let's see if we can stick him, and then if we get him or miss him, we'll go to the pond in the woods, and there's some big ones over there. We've got the John boat over there in case we see one out in the middle of the pond. We'll go try to get in the John boat, but see what we can do at this pond. these on. Well, boys, got it. Got us our second one of the night. Alright guys, we're here to clean the frogs. We got one more, we already cleaned it, but here's the other one. I'm going to show y'all how to clean a frog. So first you need some game scissors, a good sharp knife, and catfish strippers. So we're going to get him into skinning.
Just cut right here below their head. And then take your catfish strippers. Just pull that skin all the way down. And take the game shears. Cut right there at that joint between their feet and their leg. Cut it. And then take this and cut right here at the joint. And you got frog legs, and then wash it up. Put it in a gallon bag. And that's all good.
Alright guys, that's it for the skinning. And tomorrow, y'all stay tuned and I'll see y'all in the kitchen. Alright guys, we're in the kitchen and we will be cooking my famous frog legs recipe. Here we go. So first you need some Cajun two-step, some Tony Sashers, a bowl of flour, 2 eggs in a bowl, and a whisk to mix the eggs, and some canola oil. Alright guys, so then we're going to get into it. So first what you need to do, you need to get canola oil. Put a little bit of canola oil in. That's all you need. And then you're going to get your Tony Sashers and put some in the flour. Not too much, but a good little bit. Then get Cajun two-step, do the same. Okay, now you have it in here. Let's mix it. Where it all gets it all together. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to get our whisk. Go to the eggs. Let's whisk them. Get them where it's just yolk. Do it for a couple minutes. Alright guys, now you see it's just yolk. Alright guys, as you see we got yolk now in the bowl where it ain't just whole. Okay? Now you're going to get your frog legs. Pretty big frog leg. So we got 3 of them. So we're going to dip them first in the yolk. Get them both sides in the yolk. Okay? Kind of drip them off. Then put them in the flour. After you put in the flour, put flour on both sides of the frog leg. Okay? And now you want to turn your thing on high. Okay, now you got it on high, let that warm up, and let's do the other ones. Same thing, put in the yolk.
sides, put in the flour. One more. Alright guys, now that we have them all done, we're going to set them in the pot. Alright guys, our pot is hot now where we can put our 3 frog legs in, so let's shake them off. Slowly put them in. Alright guys, had the pot there a little too hot. I turned it off and it's got that one cooked so far. Let's put the rest in. Slowly drop them in. Alright, let's flip this one over. See, it's almost done, so let's let it cook a little bit longer. Guys, normally they don't cook this fast, but had the pot roaring, so they're cooking a little too fast. So, man. But guys, I'll see y'all when they're cooked.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, well, we got them in the pot. They're slowly cooking. It looks like they're going to be pretty good. So you let them cook for a couple minutes, and then we'll take them out, let them cool off, and try them. Alright guys, here they are. Finally got them done. They look pretty good. About to try them out and eat them. Alright guys, we're about to try it out. Really good. I'd rate it about 10 out of 10. Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.